The Chartered Tax Institute of Malaysia, or better known as CTIM, is a membership corporate body of tax professionals in the private and public sectors. The Institute's mission is to be the premier body providing effective institutional support to members and promoting convergence of interests with the government, using taxation as a tool for the nation's economic advancement and to attain the highest standard of technical professional competency in revenue law and practice, supported by an effective secretariat. In keeping with the Institute's mission, the Institute has built a pool of qualified and trained tax practitioners in Malaysia, and we achieved this through our continuous professional development programs and conducting the CTIM Tax Professional Examinations. Today, we have a sizable number of members that comprise tax practitioners, industry and commercial employees, academicians, officers from the Inland Revenue Board of Malaysia and Royal Malaysian Customs Department, lawyers, and many others. Globalization and the digital economy has taken root in our business world, and the role of the tax practitioner has undergone numerous changes. At CTIM, we provide constant updates and continuous learning to keep our practitioners and professionals conversant with the changes. In collaboration with the IRBM, CTIM organizes the annual National Tax Conference. Recognized as the foremost tax event, the National Tax Conference has become a must-attend event in the calendar of tax professionals in the country. As the premier institute for tax professionals in Malaysia, CTIM CPD points are recognized by the Ministry of Finance for the purpose of application and renewal of tax agent licenses under Section 153 of the Income Tax Act. CTIM participates in numerous dialogues and meetings organized by the relevant authorities, including the Tax Analysis Division of the Ministry of Finance, the IRBM, and the RMCD. We take pride in being the forefront of engagement with the tax authorities and representing the interests of our members concerning taxation matters in this country. At CTIM, we provide taxation support and updates to our members, including areas of tax incentives and tax-related matters under the purview of the Malaysian Industrial Development Authority, Securities Commission, and Bank Negara Malaysia from time to time. Amongst many other objectives, CTIM promotes and strongly fosters and maintains the highest standard of professional ethics and competency among its members. CTIM publishes the only tax journal in Malaysia called The Tax Guardian and is one of the principal avenues at the Institute to keep members abreast of the latest technical developments in taxation. The Tax Guardian provides analysis of current developments locally and on international issues. It provides a platform for periodic updates on legislative changes, international tax news, and also information summaries for taxation students. Today and in the future, CTIM will continue to serve the country by projecting its mission. CTIM will serve to be an integral component of the taxation industry here in Malaysia.